PDFs are one of the most widely used file formats for documents, reports, contracts, and ebooks. But using PDFs efficiently requires more than just saving files in this format. In this video, we'll share the best PDF practices you should follow in 2025 to stay organized, productive, and professional. First, always use clear and descriptive file names. Instead of document1.pdf, use names like project_report, _Q1, _2025.pdf, or invoice_client XYZ _May 2025.pdf. This makes your PDFs easier to find and keeps your digital workspace organized. Next, organize your PDFs in folders and subfolders. For example, create main folders for work, school, or personal, and then subfolders for specific projects or clients. Color coding folders and adding emojis can make navigation faster and visually intuitive. Keep file sizes manageable. Compress large PDFs before sharing to reduce load times and save storage space. High-resolution images or scanned documents can make PDFs bulky, so compression ensures they are easy to upload, email, or store. Use OCR, optical character recognition, for scanned documents. OCR allows text within scanned PDFs or images to become searchable and editable. This is especially helpful for receipts, contracts, or handwritten notes you want to digitize. Annotate and highlight strategically. Use comments, highlights, and sticky notes to add context or feedback without altering the original content. This is perfect for collaborative work, reviewing reports, or marking important sections for quick reference. Apply security measures when needed. Use passwords, encryption, and access restrictions for sensitive documents. Digital signatures are also recommended for contracts or official approvals to maintain authenticity and security. Maintain version control. When updating PDFs, save versions with clear timestamps or version numbers. This prevents confusion and makes it easy to track changes or restore previous versions if necessary. Use PDFs for professional presentation. PDFs preserve layout and formatting, making them ideal for resumes, portfolios, reports, or proposals. Avoid editing the original file excessively. Instead, finalize content before converting to PDF for sharing. Finally, integrate PDFs with productivity tools. Store PDFs in cloud platforms like Google Drive or OneDrive for easy access, sharing, and collaboration. Many platforms also allow annotation, commenting, and even AI-powered summarization of PDFs, helping you work smarter. In summary, following these PDF best practices ensures your documents are organized, secure, and easy to share, while maximizing their usefulness for work, school, or personal projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.